Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yoanda Zetira. My student ID is F1021201027. I'm a student in the field of English education at one of the universities in West Kalimantan, Tanjung Pura University. Today's new occasion, I will tell you guys how to use Gambit in the right way. Keep watching! I would like to start by looking at the video that Sir has sent to us. The magic tricks. What do you think about the video? You're right. It cannot be denied that magic has some negative side too. When we see magicians try to do their magic but they are not really careful, it's too dangerous to do. Well, I don't quite go along with your words that you said it has only good side. Could you explain this to me once more, please? I don't get it yet. Sorry to interrupt you, but why do you think open mic is the helpful one? I like to pick up on what you said about the movie. Is that movie really scary? Will it be ruler with you if we now focus on student fairness about their speaking skills? I'm trying to figure out how what you said relates to what we said about the positive and negative sides. To put in a nutshell, we agree that magic does not only have a positive side but also a negative side. We need to look after both of them, not only fun magic. We're almost finished, and I would like to briefly say that there are a lot of ways to improve speaking skills. That's my video for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.